Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this curly bob look. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a curly bob, whether it's on me or a client. So I just decided to do a little curly bob. So I'm wearing hair from Omgherhair. This is some bomb quality hair. As you guys can see, everything is melted nicely. So be sure to check them out. I will have all the information listed down in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase you some. If you guys like this hair, you like how it looks, you like how I did the tutorial, go ahead and thumbs up this video. I'm just trying to get more familiar with things that you guys want to see and tutorials that you like and don't like or whatnot. Comment down below other companies you want to see me try out and other hair types and hairstyles you guys want to see me try out as well. Continue watching for this look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is, of course, adjusting the wig onto my head. And basically I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting it. Usually I like to split my wigs in the middle and begin cutting it, but today I just took a risk. Like, I'm feeling like I'm beginning to be like a pro at this, so it's no need. But I am going to be putting it in the middle in a second. So just some quick details on this hair. I am wearing hair from Omgherhair, and I'm wearing a 22-inch Jerry Curly 360 lace wig. And yes, y'all, this wig is fire. As you guys can see from before I glued it on, it already looks like it's melted into my skin. So yes, I'm going ahead and I'm using my Ghost Bond. I'm going to go ahead and begin applying the wig. I'm just going in and I'm like tapping it in softly. As you guys see, I'm not pressing it in too hard because the glue is very wet, and if you do press it too hard when it's wet, you can actually end up making the glue seep through and it'll get on the actual hairs. So I'm now going to be going ahead and doing my corners, which is my little ear tabs is what I like to call them. So I'm just going in and doing those rounds, and I'm using my little eyebrow brush to basically smear it in because my nails are too long. So once I basically finished doing everything, I'm now going in with my comb and I'm just going to be parting my hair. I'm going to be doing a side part for you guys. I'm actually going to be cutting the hair into a bob, but I'm not going to cut it until later on. So for now, I'm going to just go ahead and part my hair. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and I'm basically going to lay everything flat with my hot comb. Y'all, my hot comb is so hot. It's super hot because the hair is wet, so it's like steaming as I go. So you are going to see me make these faces, y'all. This, look at, like, if you guys notice, like, my double chin is crazy. Like, 1 minute it's not there, and then I do a facial expression, or I bend my neck a certain way, and boom, like, rolls. Like, what is that about? But anyways, y'all, I'm just going in and flattening out the hair. I love my hair to be nice and flat. I just feel like this gives it a really nice look. And I'm now going in with my wax stick, and I'm basically going to be hot combing it, and I'm basically defining my part a bit better. And you guys always ask me what I do at the back of my wigs. I just really connect the straps. Nothing crazy. I don't really sew my wigs down in the back. I just connect the straps. So I'm now going to begin with my baby hairs. If you guys are new to my channel, I love using She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue on my baby hairs. So I do cut my baby hairs with a razor, and then I go in with my Bomb Glue gel. And I'm just using a regular baby's hair toothbrush that you can purchase at your local Hood beauty supply store. Yes, Hood. So now I'm just about finished on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and take my oil sheen, and I just like to spray this side so it gets a nice look to it and it doesn't end up looking crispy. That's my little trick that I like to do with oil sheen. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue out my baby hairs. Alright guys, so I'm gonna zoom the camera back out so you guys can see how the hair lays out. So this hair is only 22 inches, so it's not really too long. So I'm wearing a 22-inch curly wig. This is kinky curly, and this is hair from Omgherhair. And y'all, I really do love working with companies that provide quality hair like this. Like the lace, I'm gonna get closer so you can like, do you see how everything is laid? At this point I'm Spanish. This is my real hair. Like I'm mixed, like I'm natural. This is just me because this shit is laid. The baby hairs, I went extra with the baby hairs because curly hair and baby hairs go, like they're like go-go's. So I'm about finished. I'm just gonna do a couple things and then I'll basically be finished. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to go ahead and define my part. So I'm gonna be taking a small makeup brush and I'm just using a lighter scalp powder, and I'm just taking that powder and I'm just basically defining the part more and giving it more of a scalp look versus, you know, the little, I don't know, lace net part showing. So that's what I do. After I do that, I like to take my spritz, and I like using the Fantasia liquid firm hold spritz, and I just spray that in the area, and I just, you know, get that shit going. I'm gonna put some in the front right here too because I want right here to fall like that. I don't want it to be sticking up like that. And then I take my oil sheet and I go over that area. I don't know, I can't explain. I have like this white stuff on my hot comb. It just burnt my IKEA makeup thing to make my drawers. Okay, so then I just do this. It is gonna sizzle a bit, but I just like to press that out and get that nice and flat. Like and then I just like to flatten out this part as well. I like the top of my hair, whether it's a side part or a middle part, but I like this top piece. Whatever my part is laying on, I like it to be flat. I need it flat. I need it flat and nice. Okay, I'm going to be using the Nairobi mousse. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my mousse and I'm just putting that, some of it on the baby hairs area. I'm just doing that so the baby hairs ain't like super crispy or nothing like that. And I'm also going to be putting it right here. This also, for some reason, to me, it gives me like a melt. Oops. I didn't even do it like that. So I'm just putting some mousse over here. Just like that. And as you can see, the mousse is just, well, this part is all on my face. But the mousse is just like sucking in everything. And it's kind of dripping. I don't have a napkin. So, alright. So now I'm just going to put mousse on the hair. The hair is still wet because I did wash it earlier today and bleach the knots. So I'm just going to be putting like a little bit of mousse through it just to, you know, stretch it out. Because I am going to be cutting it shorter as well. I want it to have like a curly bob type of look. I don't want I'm not into, like, if y'all know me, if y'all new to the channel, y'all might know this, but if you know me, you know, like, I'm not really into, like, not awkward lengths, but I'm not into, like, mid lengths. And this is a 22 inch, and I'm really not into just wearing, like, 22 inches. I'm honestly into, like, 24 and longer and stuff like that. So when it comes to lengths like this, I always just, like, prefer to cut it into, like, a bob. Alright, so I think I done wet this part down enough. And now I'm going to do this side. And this is like a wrapping mousse. This mousse is not really used for what I'm using it for right now, but yeah, this is what I got. I could use that on my hair right now. So I didn't put too much mousse because now I got the hair looking all funny. But I'm gonna like split it in the back. And I'm gonna like zoom out a little bit more so you guys can see how the length was before I cut it and how it would have looked if I didn't cut it. So it comes to like underneath my boob area, kind of. So if I kept it straight, that's kind of how it would have looked. But now I'm gonna cut it to like my shoulder. So I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut it a bit longer to like right here. Cause listen, I've cut bobs too short one too many times in my life. So yeah, this is, oh, they need to be a little shorter. Yeah. And then, you know, I just got my little tuck behind my ear, little thing, and then, yeah. But right here is a little bit long. Cut that up. I haven't done like a curly bob in so long, like on my, whether it's been on myself or a client. Like our curly bob's not in no more. So for this side, here, let me clip up my hair. I feel like a poodle. And then I'm just going to take this side, like, and I'm not gonna cut it too short. I look so cute. I look so cute. I don't know how I could look at the back of my bob. I'm gonna go in the mirror right quick, but first, here, you have to. Is it too long? Like right here so long. I'm just chopping, like I'm just chopping away, but you know, like, hey, and then you just go back in at the ends and tease them out. I really wish I had my noodle head, because you would have seen these curls on a whole nother level. That's what this how I'm looking. You know, curly bobs, curly bob on a char. You know what I'm saying? Little Afro kinky vibes. You know, little bob tees, little curly bob tees, big hair don't care. I got a problem. Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. This is the final look on my curly bob. I love how right here is crazy big. I might put a little bit of water to bring it down, but as of right now, I love how everything looks. So like I said, this was hair from Omgherhair Hair. Make sure you guys check out their hair for some bomb affordable quality hair. You know what I mean? Get you some. Alright guys, so I did go back and wet it up. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick how it looks, like nice and wet and stuff. And this is basically it. It looks super nice, super defined, super pretty. Curls look amazing. And this is how the bob looked. Wet, super wet. And of course when it dries up, it'll look like how I had it earlier, which is okay with me. I actually like my hair to be big. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.